Hello and welcome to my science tutorials. In today's video, we want to look at how to calculate the equation of a straight line when you are given only one point. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at how we do that. So assuming we have, let's say we have our axis over here. So this is my x-axis, this is my y-axis, and I have, let's say, a straight line over here. And I only know one point, let's say x and y, and I don't know any other point on this straight line, but I know the gradient to be, let's say, m. How do I find the equation of this particular straight line? Now there are two ways you can do that. You can first of all use the equation of a straight line formula, then get that, which is y is equal to ms plus c. This is the equation of a straight line. So from here, all you do is you substitute the values of x and y into this equation to find the c, which is the constant. So your y is your y coordinate, your x is your x coordinate, your m is your gradient or slope, your c is your constant, or the point at which the line cuts the y-axis. Right, so in the first case, if you are using this formula, you only substitute the value of x and y into this equation to find a constant, and then you substitute it back to find the equation of the straight line. Or another way you can find the equation of a straight line is to use the equation y minus y1 equals m into bracket x minus x1. Over here, your point become x1, y1. So you substitute the value of x in place of x1, y in place of y1. You already know the gradient. You substitute that, and then you do your calculation to get your equation of that particular straight line. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at an example. So we have to find the equation of a straight line with gradient 2 through the point 0, -5. Right, so I'll be using the 2 method in this case. So let me write down my solution. So I've been told that my gradient m is 2 and my point is 0, -5. Now when I'm using the equation of a straight line, y is equal to mx plus c, the first thing I need to do is to calculate the value of my constant, or c. I do that by substituting. This is x, this is y. So I substitute this into the equation. So I have -5 is equal to m, which is 2, multiplied by x, which is 0, plus c. So I have -5 is equal to, this is 0, 2 multiplied by 0 is 0, plus c. So therefore it means that c is equal to -5. From here, it therefore means that the equation of my straight line is equal to y is equal to my m, which is the gradient, is 2, s, my constant is 5, so -5. So this becomes my equation of the straight line. Alright, so let me use the other formula, which is y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. So from here, I have this become my x1 and y1. So I write y minus y1 is -5 is equal to the gradient, which is 2, multiplied by x minus x1, which is 0. So I have here y plus 5 is equal to 2, then multiplied by x, since this is 0. So I have y plus 5 is equal to 2x, and I can rewrite this as y is equal to 2x minus 5. So this becomes my equation of a straight line. Now if you see, you can see that these two equations are the same. So whether you decide to use the values to calculate the constant first and substitute it back into the expression to get the equation of the line, or you use the direct method where you just substitute your value and get your equation, you will get the same answer. Alright, so let's have a look at another example. We have to find the gradient, we have to find the equation of a line with a gradient 3 which passes through the point 2 and -4. 4. So let's write down our solution. Okay, so let me say case 1 or approach 1, and then case 2 for us. You can use any of them. So in this one, I'm going to use y is equal to mx plus c. I know that from this point I have 2, -4. So this is my x, this is my y. My y here is -4 is equal to my gradient m is 3 multiplied by x, which is 2 plus c. So I have -4 is equal to 6 plus c. -4, I bring the 6 to the other side, minus 6 is equal to c, and therefore my c is equal to -10. So I can now substitute that back into the equation. So my equation will now be y is equal to my m, which is the gradient, 3x, and my constant c is -10, so it becomes -10. So this becomes my equation of the straight line. In the second case, we have y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. So my y1 in this case is -4, so I have -4 is equal to my gradient, which is 3s minus x1, which is 2 over here, so I have 2. So this is y plus 4 is equal to 3 multiplied by s will give me 3s, 3 multiplied by -2 will give me -6. So I have y is equal to 3s minus 6. Then I send a positive 4 to the other side of the equal to sign, it becomes -4. So -4 here. So I have y is equal to 3s minus 6 minus 4 will give me -10. So this become my equation of the straight line. And as usual, they are the same over here. Alright, so let's go ahead and try one final example. You can go ahead, pause this video, try your hands on this problem to see if you can get the equation of a straight line. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at the solution to this problem. So we have to find the equation of a straight line with a gradient 2, which means our gradient is 2 through the point 4 and 3. Alright, so for this case, I'm just going to straight ahead use the second method. So y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. So from here, all I need to do is to substitute my values. So I have y minus, my y1 is 3 into bracket m, which is 2 into bracket x minus my x1 is 4. So over here, I have y minus 3 is equal to, I expand this bracket, I have 2x minus 8. From here, I maintain my y here is equal to 2x minus 8. Then I send the -3 to the other side, it becomes plus 3. So my y is equal to 2x minus 8 plus 3 will give me -5. So this is -5. And this becomes my equation of that particular straight line. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, where we'll be talking about how to find the equation of a straight line when you are given 2 points on that particular line. So thank you once again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.